everybody, so I just wanted to pop on here because I got a box from Life Science Publishing, which is where I get most of my books for products concerning young living. So the first thing that I ordered is a 10-pack of this Start Your Oily Life packet. It's just a couple pages. It just basically just explains what essential oils are, how to use them safely. It just explains some things about young living and about ditching and switching products, and it has like ways to use different oils. So I'm going to be sending these out to some people that order products with me, just so they can have something to read in case they're ever wondering. So I ordered a 10-pack of those. I also ordered a couple more of these 150 Uses Fast and Fabulous, because this book goes through all the different uses of several oils that are very popular. So I'm going to be sending these books out to my team. I also ordered the quick reference guide for essential oils. I'm going to be sending these out to my team. This is the mini version of the pocket and desk reference. It just goes through young living products and how to use them, and it goes through the common uses of oils, where they come from and such. So it's a really nice tool that I use all the time, so I'm going to be sending these out to my team as well. I also ordered some of the Oily Life Guide, which is a book that I use all the time. It's like a journal. It's got lots of places to write notes in it. I'm going to be sending these out to my team. It's the bigger version of the Start Your Oily Life book. So I'm going to be sending these out. It's just got more details on some things, oily wish lists, essential rewards, all kinds of stuff about young living. So I'm going to be sending these out. I got a couple new books for myself. This book is Thieves, 350 Ways to Use It. I've looked at through some of it. I wanted to grab a copy for myself before I sent it out to the team, and it just goes through all of the different Thieves products and all the different versatile ways to use it. So I'm really looking forward into reading into this book more. I read through it a little bit when the box came, but I'm gonna read through it and take notes and such. So I have more information on Thieves. Next book, and the last book that I got, was the Now What Scripts book. It is side by side with the Now What book, which I ordered last year. So I'm going to read through this and start understanding that book, because I guess I needed this one first. And then I might be sending the Now What books out to my team eventually, and we might go through the Now What book together, because it is a really nice tool. I looked through the book, but it's kind of a group work kind of book. So maybe we'll get a class or an online video chat or something together, and we'll go through these books together once I order some more. So that's all of the books that I ordered. I didn't order very many. I just ordered a lot of resources for the team, but I just wanted to jump on here and say something, since we can't really see each other right now. So I hope you guys are doing well. I hope you are having a good day, and I'll see you guys later. Bye, everybody.